We can define the level of transparency or opaqueness of an image using the opacity declaration. Before we begin, set up your basic HTML structure and save the file as opacity.html. Once you've set up your basic HTML structure, create an open and close div tag within your body tags. Now we'll insert an image into this div. Once the image is inserted, we can adjust the opacity of the image. The image can be found in the Downloads folder corresponding to this lecture. Next, we need to set up our style sheet. Inside the style sheet, enter the following declaration. This is the opacity style declaration, and the 0.4 will set the opacity of any image in our document to 40%. Let's go ahead and take a look. Save the file and preview it in your web browser. And this is the image with the opacity set at 40%. Let's set it at 90% to see the difference it makes. And that's the opacity at 90%. We can add additional effects using the opacity declaration as well. Let's create a hover effect so that the image changes from 40% to 100% opacity when your mouse is hovered on top of the image. To do that, add the following declaration. Also change the original opacity declaration back to 40%. Now save your file and refresh your browser. And as you can see, when we hover our mouse over the image, it changes to 100% opacity. And when we remove the mouse, it changes back to 40% opacity.